favorite bestie back on the scene. You already know, if you ain't trying to be my bestie now, you're gonna definitely want to be my bestie later. So you might as well tell your friends to get with my friends so we can be friends. You already know how it go. So y'all see that thumbnail, y'all see the title of the video, and y'all see these cute ass braids. Okay, so if y'all want to know how to get this style, stick around for the video that we're about to jump into, and make sure you guys, you know, go in the comments and let me know how y'all liking it. Oh girl, that's cute, do that again, do something different with it, you know, because I'm probably gonna be rocking this style again, you know, probably change it up a little bit, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we gonna do something. But anyways, you guys, if you want to see how I achieve these braids with the heart part, you see it. Make sure you guys stick around for the video. You follow me on all my social media platforms, and you DM me whatever you want to see next, or leave it in the comments. Or, you know, comment on any of my things which I want to see. You know, and if you do this, tag me in the video or in on Instagram or wherever. Send me a picture. I want to see what it come out like. Okay. And make sure you guys be on the lookout for my videos coming out. 2 more videos that are going to be coming out. So make sure on the lookout for them. Okay. Alright, you guys. So let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so I know I look crazy. Don't be talking about me. I pre-parted my hair off, as y'all could see, and then later on I went in and had my mama help me like just clean up some of the parts to make them look more neat and stuff. And now I'm just showing you guys what I'm about to do. I have gel on my hair, and I'm just combing it through a little bit. You know, the hair a little tough. I ain't blow dry my hair, so it's a little hard to comb through. Now I'm just about to part out the pre-stretched hair for what's gonna get braided into my hair, but those are the last parts. The way I separated them, those are pieces that are last by how thick they are. You always want to start with smaller pieces first, which y'all will see. And I can't remember, I think I had like 8 or 9 pieces, just because I don't like them too thick, you know, towards the end and stuff. Y'all see, but y'all see my part. It's so cute with that little heart, huh? Yeah, I did that was hard. Okay, yeah, so like I said, it's 9 pieces. Okay, 9 pieces of hair. Now I'm about to just go through and comb my hair out. I section it in 3, and then y'all gonna see me trying to comb it out to make sure, you know, it ain't no knots or tangles. And baby, it's a struggle. And I like to comb it as I'm feeding in the hair. See, oh child, oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I'm just combing it, as y'all can see, and it's a struggle. And then I'm just gonna start feeding in the hair. Okay, so now I'm taking the hair, wrapping it around my pinky, taking it from that front piece. That piece is gonna go in the middle. The middle piece is gonna come to the front, and the back piece is now gonna be the middle piece. So that's how I'm feeding in the hair, and I just keep repeating that process over. It might sound a little weird. If y'all want to in-depth how to feed in hair, then I would do that like on a mannequin head, or like when I'm doing somebody else's hair, so I can, you know, really show y'all exactly what I'm talking about with feeding in the hair. That's the best way I can explain it, instead of like left, right, all that. You get what I'm saying. But now I'm just feeding in the hair, and I'm just gonna do that all the way down, and then once it get closer to the end, I'll show you how I feed in some more of the hair to make it longer. And yeah, that's it. Okay, y'all, so I done moved the camera down. I'm just gonna braid my hair down, you know, a little bit more. Y'all see how it's getting thinner? Now I'm gonna start adding in hair, and I'm splitting that into two, just because it was a little too thick for me. You could leave it like that if you want to, but I split it up just because it was a little too thick. And then I'm just gonna add that in, and then add the other piece. And I think I do four pieces that I add in, 3 or 4 pieces that I'm adding into this. And then I'm just gonna braid that all the way down to the ends, and that is it. And then after that, I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair. I didn't show this part, so I put some mousse on my hair, and I did my hair in hot water, of course. And that is the end look. Like, that's what you do when you finish out your braids. And then I also got to be spray on, you know, my scalp area and stuff to make sure it look good. But that's the end of the video, you guys. You'll see me in the next clip when I'll be talking to y'all, and I'm gonna be looking different. Your girl gonna have her face beat and stuff, be looking good. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Well, I'm gonna say all that later. Listen, I don't feel like redoing this part again, so whatever I just said, y'all gonna hear. Oh well. Bye, y'all. Love y'all, besties. You guys, and I know I look a little different, yeah, but this is how the hair turned out. Super cute. I don't plan to stand it up, but there's my hearts. Super cute. If you guys try this style, please let me know. Please let me know. Tag me if you do, if you follow this tutorial. Probably wasn't one of the best tutorials because my hair was already pre-parted off, but I hope the voiceover is good enough for you guys. Love you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching and always being here. Enough for real. I know I always do that high-pitched voice and stuff, but enough for real. Thank you guys for being here, sticking around, and always being consistent with me, and, you know, being patient and rocking out with me, you know, till we get to where we gotta go. Like I always say at the end of my videos, with a little message, you know. I know this year has been crazy. This year has been, if not for you, I know dang sure for me, it's been a crazy year. It's been up and down, literally feel like a roller coaster. You know, so many waves of emotion this year, but I have a feeling, you know, 2022 is about to be up. It's, you know, we've been being prepared, you know, getting us focused for what we are about to walk into. So just remember that. Don't ever give up on yourself. Even though I know I'll be there. Everything I'm telling y'all, I be needing to hear myself, you know. But don't give up, because you never know when you're so close to that one more dig that you gonna get to them diamonds. You know what I'm saying? I'm referencing off of a picture. If I find it, I'll post it. But you know, you never know when you one step away to where you see yourself being and where God is gonna put you. So don't give up. Always try to encourage yourself. You know, I know it's gonna be them negative thoughts. That's the devil. Kick him out with them positive. You know, telling you gotta move over. God in here. You know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. You can DM me, interact with me, leave me comments and stuff. I do reply back. You know, anything y'all want to see, DM me. Let me know. Put it in the comments down below. Whatever y'all want to see next, I'll do. You know, well, don't be crazy now, but you know, I'll do those videos. Anything y'all want to see, just let me know. And yeah, make sure you guys liking this video, y'all are subscribed to the channel, and y'all are sharing it, you know. So y'all have a blessed one. I love you guys so much.